Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this dog training collar with remote. This one here is for dogs from 15 up to 150 pounds. Alright, so right here we've got our dog shock collar. This is an adjustable collar that fits all sizes dogs from 15 pounds to 150 pounds. It has adjustable collar from 6 to 27.5 inches. It is adjustable. It has a remote control. So here is the collar that goes around the dog. It does give you an LED indicator. It has a signal indicator, a sound speaker. They have the on and off switch, the contact points, and then it does come with the silicone caps. So here right now it's on. You can see that it is on. This green light flashing basically lets you know that it is turned on. You have the speakers right here in the front, and inside the box you do have the silicone caps, and you also got the remote control, which is a long-lasting battery life. The handheld remote has 180 days of standby time, 60 days of working time. To receive the collar is about 30 days of standby time, 15 days by working. So this is the button for the power on this side. It has a long control distance of up to 1,600 feet. It is an IPX7 waterproof for training your dog anytime, anywhere, no matter what weather there is. You've got rains, you can use it where they're taking a bath or if they're swimming. So right here I'm just changing the intensity level of the remote. So you have vibration, there's also a sound, and then you have the shock feature, which is at the bottom. You can't tell that. They do have a tool that you can connect to it to show you that it is working without actually touching it. So now then you can change the intensity levels of the vibration. You can see each time I turn the level up or level down. Once I turn it up, it'll change the intensity and you can see it moving across my table. So to test the feature of the shock, we're not going to touch it because we're not going to get shocked. But they have this little tool right here. You just push it in these pins. So once you push the pins in, all you have to do is click on the shock on the remote. So the middle part should light up orange. So we're going to push that. You can see right there it is lighting up orange, showing you that it does work. This is a super easy way to test this out without actually touching it itself. So you can see right there it lights up. That's letting you know the shock feature is working. You can see the green light on each time that is on. Once you click it off, that will turn off. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to test the vibration mode. So now that we got it on level 2, the levels go up from 0 to 99, which is the intensity levels. It has a 1 plus 4 memory settings. You got A, B, C, D, which is A, B, C, D. So you don't need to reset the vibration or shock levels. It is already stuck in the memory. It has a 2-in-1 charging port, which can charge the remote transmitter and collar receiver at the same time. The great thing about this is the remote has 4 channels and supports the training of up to 4 dogs at the same time, up to 1,600 feet range, which allows you to train your dogs easily. Again, it is IP7 waterproof. The collar allows you to swim, shower, play in the rain. It is adjustable from 6 to 27.5 inches. And inside this box you also get a charging cable, a wrist strap, and also a user guide to show you how to use this, how to charge it. So this is the charging cable. One goes into the power brake and then one goes into the remote control. So right here you do have the strap, so you can take it with you and wrap it around your arm. And then here is the training system user manual. This basically tells you about all the settings. So if you're looking for a nice dog training collar that does multiple dogs at a time, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one's a super nice one. It does give you a strap, it is adjustable, and it is waterproof.